Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video, we're going to take a look at this Hampton Bay Chilton flush mount oil rubbed bronze finish. And as you can see, it's 15 inches in diameter, and it has LEDs, and you can decide what color you want the light to be. So let's take a look. Here you have some instructions, the tools that you might need here, how to install it, which is pretty simple. Here's some hardware. Here's the light fixture, and on this side is the shade. And this is made out of glass. It has a very nice matte finish. There is no need for light bulbs because the LEDs are here. And I like the finish. Right here in the corner it has an accent that looks pretty cool. And it is a flush mount because, as you can see, it can stay on the wall or in the ceiling flushed. You can mount the light directly to your junction box. It has multiple holes here and here. All you have to do is put the screws there and then twist to lock into place. And you have the wires here that you need to plug it in. So let's take a look at it once installed. Once you have installed the light without putting the shade on, you can put the light on a warm white, or you can switch it little by little to a cooler or a cool white color. It all depends on how you want the room to look. Of course, once you put the shade on, it looks nice and smooth. Since it's an LED on the camera, it doesn't come like a very smooth light. It comes up with lines, but you get the idea. I hope this video helped you in some way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.